Okay, today we'll discuss about benign epithelial tumors of skin, and I will make sure that I will give you concepts which are very short and very easy. So let's begin with benign epithelial tumors of skin. Basically, there are three types of benign epithelial tumors of skin which are important. First one is keratocanthoma, second is seborrheic keratosis, and third is acanthosis nigricans. Now let's go into detail of these three. Keratocanthoma. So word kerato means it is related to keratin and canthoma it's tumor like. So if we just forget about text and see picture, it is looking a dome shaped nodule. You can see dome shaped nodule with centrally filled with keratin plug. So oma here refers to nodule and kerato means keratin plug. So it's a dome shaped nodule filled with central keratin plug, and it is flesh colored. You can see from the picture it is looking pink flesh colored. So it's a flesh colored dome shaped nodule with central keratin plug. Now it have glassy eosinophilic cytoplasm. If we make picture memory, we can see that it is giving a shiny look, so we can remember by this that it have a glassy eosinophilic cytoplasm. Other than this, it is rapidly growing and rapid healing. Rapid growing, rapid healing, which means it grows rapidly and heals spontaneously. It occurs in sun exposed areas. Now, what are sun exposed areas? Like face, dorsum of the hand, forearm, like these areas. Then this benign tumor mimics squamous cell carcinoma. You have to remember this, that is mimics squamous cell carcinoma, since it involving keratin and it's a tumor, so it mimics squamous cell carcinoma. It occurs in older people more than 50 years of age with p53 mutation. Now look, older people are of more than 50 and p53 is also more than 50. So you can remember by this that 50-year-old above and p53 mutation. Now next is seborrheic keratosis. Now word seborrheic here does not mean sebaceous gland. Instead it refers to waxy appearance, and keratosis it refers to the hyperkeratosis. So it's a coin-like lesion, waxy coin-like lesion. If you see in the picture, it's a waxy coin-like lesion. You can see, uh, yeah, it's a waxy brown coin-like lesion with a giving a stuck on appearance. That means that it is stuck on the skin, so giving a stuck on wax appearance. Okay, so and since word here is keratosis, which means hyperkeratosis, so it's a waxy brown coin like lesion which giving a stuck on appearance and shows hyperkeratosis. Now here keratin is involved, so there will be cysts like horn cyst, which are a small keratin filled cyst, or invagination cyst, which are invagination of keratin into the main tumor. So both are related to the keratin. It is a common tumor, and it occurs in elderly more than 40. Previous tumor keratocanthoma was occurs in more than 50, while seborrheic keratosis more than 40. Now you can see in picture there are many waxy brown coin-like lesions. So if many seborrheic keratosis occurring, it is part of a paraneoplastic syndrome. So this sign is known as lesser trailet sign. The picture is showing positive lesser trailet sign, and positive lesser trailet sign shows that there are many seborrheic keratosis as a part of paraneoplastic syndrome, which may be due to GI tract cancer mostly. Third and last is acanthosis nigricans. Word acanthosis means thick skin, and nigricans refers to the dark or hyperpigmented skin. So it refers to thick, velvety, hyperpigmented skin. You can see in the picture thick, velvety, hyperpigmented skin, and just see in the picture that it occurs in the areas of axilla, groin, in these areas, and it is of two type, benign type and malignant type. Now benign type occurs in young people. You can remember this by that benign is less harmful, and young people have more immunity, so benign tumors occur in young people. And benign, and it is associated with type 2 diabetes. Now type 2 diabetes also occur in people who are obese, so obesity will also come in this. So obesity, type 2 diabetes, young people, and pituitary and pineal tumor, both P, pituitary and pineal tumor. These occurs in benign type. Now malignant type is easy. Malignancy occurs in people with low immunity. So old people have low immunity. So we can consider that malignant tumor can occur in old people associated with, and it is usually associated with GI malignancy such as gastric adenocarcinoma. So this was all about benign epithelial tumor. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.